Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to come on and share with you this 3D puzzle kit that was sent to me by Benlarky Toys, and I will link it down below on their Amazon store. This is such a cool set. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to unbox it with you, but it's a little cheese bookstore that you could put together and keep it on your bookshelf or anywhere on display. It comes with the lights and it just looked really fun. My daughter and I like to do puzzles together, so I thought this would be really fun for us to do. So we'll take a look at this together. It is recommended for ages 14 plus. There are 310 pieces, so not bad at all for a puzzle. DIY, of course. Level 2 out of 5, so that is my speed. I don't want it to be too hard to put together. I would like it to be nice and relaxing, and it says it takes about 2 hours plus assembly time. So you can see what it looks like when it's done. It's, yeah, a little cheese bookstore. It's called the Cheese Book. I just think that is so cute. And they have actually on their website, they have a like a Western saloon one too that looked really cute, but I chose this one. I thought it would be more up my alley. So these are all of the details. I'll open it too, but just to see what the picture is on the box. It measures 6.3 inches by 8.27 inches, and it's 5.12 inches deep. So yeah, perfect for a bookshelf. So I took the plastic off it, and just so it would be easier to open. So it just slides out here, I think. I don't want to rip it, so I'm just going to be careful. Hang on. Okay, there we go. So the cover is off, so it's this white box, and we'll find the opening. Okay, so it opens like this, and it comes with everything you need to make it. It comes with glue. It comes with a little hammer. It comes with sticky double-sided tape, the light fixture, and a file as well. Hi, Millie. Millie has to come and say hello. So it comes with everything you need to put it together. They have really good reviews online. I took a look at them, and it looks like it's a relaxing project and well designed, so you know it won't be frustrating to put together. So here's the instructions, and okay, it gives you a list of parts, all the accessories, and then just like a pictorial kind of instructions for how to put everything together. So looks easy enough if you've put together like scratching houses for your cats like I have. I think this will be fine. Like you just put tabs into the other slot, so looks really easy. I was reading one review where they said they didn't need glue at all because everything just fit together so well. So those are all the instructions. This looks like such a fun project. Okay, here's like, I think these are like acetate pieces for the windows and the doors. If you could see on the front, like there's for the window, for the door frames, that's the door, probably the side window too. So lots of good details, even acetate for the windows. Okay, so then, oh, this is all together. Let's open this up. I'm just gonna move the box out of the way. And I'll open it, I'll be right back. Okay, I took the plastic off, so it comes with all of these pieces. These are the stickers to put on the books. See, there's all like the book covers, even like cheese fondue and aged cheese. That looks like it'll be, oh, probably like on the inside bookshelf. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Today's special pairing, so it's on the little like board outside the cheese shop. Oh, this is so cute. Those are the magazine covers. So very small but detailed. Oh, so detailed. Okay, and so then these are all of the pieces that you would just pop out to put together. And of course the instructions tell you exactly what's what. And then here they're even labeled too. So that is so nice. So these will just pop out. I'll just take one out like that. Looks really good. So if there were any like, you know, little pieces that you need to file, it comes with that file. So there's even like all the little baked goods here. Oh my gosh. I've never done a 3D puzzle before. If you guys have, what do you think? Are they fun to do? I like that, you know, you could keep it on your bookshelf when you're done. And lots of times we'll do puzzles and then we're like, all right, we just leave it out on the table for a couple days and then put it away. I know some people like seal them and hang them up, but I don't really want to do that. But I think this is cool because it's something you build and you can keep out, and it looks so nice and cozy too. So then there's this page. It smells like wood. Very nice. They're not really pages, they're like pieces of wood. All laser cut. Look at the little wine bottles. Cheese, wine, and books. I love all three of those things. So this is perfect. All the little shelves. Oh my gosh, even a rug is painted on there. And then there's this piece with all the different parts of the bookshop. Welcome to the cheese book. And that says the cream of the crop. What does that say? I can't really read that. And I have my reading glasses on. It's very small. I'll have to get a magnifying glass out, I guess. And then some more like cheeses and plants even. Book, cheese, wine. So cute. And then I guess this is probably the floor, I would assume. Or maybe, I don't know, we'll have to check and see. But as you can see, it's like a really nice size, but not too big, not too small. It'd be perfect for a bookshelf. I love the, like, I just caught that, the scroll work there. Look, it's got like, put my hand back there, like little hearts in the scrolls. So that piece would be, let's see. Where is that? Probably on the inside, I guess. One of the shelves or something. I thought it'd be on the outside. There's even like this little sign that comes out the side of the store. So fun. So I got to get my daughter over here, and we got to start building this. So, whoops, dropped my. That was something else, not part of this. So yeah, I will let you know how this goes when we start putting it together, or once we finish putting it together. But that might take a little while. So I wanted to get on and show you this first. It'll only take a little while trying to get her over here to do it because she just started her new job. So, but we'll do it, and yeah, it'll be really fun. So I'm excited. I hope you guys like this too. I'll put the link down below, and check out everything else they have in their shop. Looks like a really nice, high quality little shop. So I'm excited. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Benlarky for sending me this cheese bookstore kit. I am very excited to make it, and I will definitely be back soon to show you how it looks. All right, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, especially to come back and see when this is done. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.